So we want to show that lines 2y plus 4x plus 9 equal to 0 and 6x equals to 21 minus 3y are parallel. How do you know if the two lines are parallel? What you need to consider is that when the gradient 1, the first gradient is equal to the second gradient, so it means that the two lines are parallel. And how do you know if two lines are perpendicular? That is, when you multiply the first gradient multiplied by the second gradient, then you have a minus 1. Parallel. When it is parallel now, we have, when two lines are parallel, we have what? N1 equals what? N2. So that is all about parallel. That is, gradient 1 equals to gradient 2. When it is perpendicular, it means M1 multiplied by what? M2, then we have minus 1. So it means that the gradient is perpendicular. Perpendicular. Okay? But in this case, we are to show that if two lines are what? Are parallel. So how do we go about this? We have 2y plus 4x plus 9 equal to 0 and 6x equals to 21 minus 3y. What do you do? Rearrange the two what? The two equations in the form what? Y equal to mx plus c. This is equation 1. We arrange it. So we have 2y equals to minus 4x and minus what? Minus 9. You bring this and this, you bring them to the other side. So how do we make this one to be in this form? What do you do? Just divide both sides by what? Divide both sides by 2. We have minus 2x, then 9 divided by 2. So it's not clear. It's not clear. You rearrange, so we have 2y plus equals to minus 4x, then minus 9. And once you arrange it, you want to make it to be in this form. What do you do? Just divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So we have your y to be what? To be minus 2x, then minus what? Minus 9 divided by 2. Then the other equation. Now from equation 2 now, what is equation 2? We have 6x equals to 21 minus 3y. So in this case, you can bring this inside. You can bring 6x. You can bring 21 inside to come and bring 6. Then we have minus 21, then equal to minus 3y. So you see the same thing as minus 3y equal to 6x minus what? Minus 21. Now to make what now? To make y the subject of the formula, how do you do? Just divide both sides. You divide both sides by what? By minus 3 by minus 3. So this one will give you y equals to minus 2x minus what? Minus 7. Okay? And the question says, show that lines this and this are parallel. So just tell us that since what? Since since the two gradients are equal, therefore the lines are what? Are parallel. That is M2, M1 equals what? M2. And what is M1? M1 is what? Is -2. And what is M2? This is M1. And why this one is what? Is M2. So we have -2. So that is it. So it means that the lines are parallel. Why? Because the first gradient equals to what? Equals to the second gradient. So that is how to calculate this question. Thank you.